already in my scan tool. Under freeze frame, I can see that we never made it to full operating temperature. We were here at 170. So I'm going to go to live data, and we're going to watch my coolant temperature come up. Select done, select coolant temp. So if you want to graph this, which is usually a pretty good way to get a better working idea of the way that the data is behaving, then come over here and just touch the data point and it'll start graphing. So you can just barely see it there. So this is engine coolant temperature during the warm-up. Right there you can see the line being drawn across the screen. You can see the coolant temperature there in blue. So we're at about a quarter gauge right there. Now the job of the thermostat is to prevent coolant flow, so that way the engine will warm up. And what's happening in this truck is the thermostat is not doing that. It is allowing coolant to pass too early in the warm-up cycle. I can increase the RPM. The coolant temperature actually goes down. There it goes to 168. That shouldn't happen. So what's happening is cold coolant in the radiator is being dumped into the block, and that's a telltale sign of a thermostat that's bad. This p0128 in this truck is definitely caused by a bad thermostat. There you can see the heater setting is all the way to the cold, so it's not possible that I'm drawing heat out of the engine through the heater core. Slow the water pump down, slow the engine down, and starts heating up again normally. Let's see if I can get it to do it again. It's at 172 right now, and I speed it up, and there it goes to 170. You can see it drop off on the bar graph. 168. 167. So this thermostat is definitely not working. Okay, just wanted to double check. The thermostat is working now. Put the thermostat in yesterday. There's a great video to it online by a certified technician, so I will put a link to that in the description. I don't need to duplicate his work. It was done great. As always, at the end of diagnosis of trouble code, you always want to verify your repair, just like we did last time. I am going to click on this, and we should get a graph. There we go. And there we can see this is an aluminum block, or a composite block, and you can see it heating up pretty quick there with our runtime. And last time I showed you that, although it didn't come out that well in the video, I showed you that if you revved up the engine, the temperature went down, which was a sure sign that your thermostat was bad. So we're up at 138, you can see there. 140, 141. We can raise it up, and it actually starts heating up faster, and it doesn't cool off. So we've got a good thermostat in there, and it's working alright.